Hey guys, Christina here with CBrinley Artistry, and I am here to bring you guys a rainbow pour for Pride Month. And I'm going to be doing that with my apple slicer. I have only done one video on the core pour, so I figured this would actually be perfect for it because I was watching this Netflix show. It was called Tales of the City, and I noticed that when it would cut scenes, it would put up this rainbow, but it included black and brown. So I looked that up, and it is to include people of color, and I think that is amazing. So it's also perfect for this because there's 8 slots. And I do have the black color shift, but to me it's just a little, it's like a metallic brown to me, honestly. So I did make one that is more like it's really like a navy blue. It kind of shifts from black to blue, but it is really more of a blue than a black, but it's as close as I could get with all the colors being color shift. I just wanted to keep that consistent, except for the brown, which is a bronze, a metallic bronze. So I just wanted everything to be like shiny and cohesive, and I really love the richness of this color that I made. It's actually kind of thick. So, all right, so I am just going to start by pouring down the center of each petal, as I would call it. Oh wow, that's kind of cool. All right, yeah, this is where I need my torch, right here. So the black kind of just like disappeared, and so did the green. So I'm gonna try to take, like I did last time, and just kind of just separate the flower petals out. All right, and now time for the fun part, and that is spinning it out. I'm always so nervous about doing this because I don't want to like overspin it. Try to get this over this edge. Oh, I don't know. It's just so perfectly like kind of sprawled out. Try to encourage this downwards. There we go. It's a little different. It's a little unique. I really like it, you guys. Like, I know it's just, it didn't turn out like a flower like I was kind of hoping it would. But I really like this. It kind of reminds me of, remember when you were kids in gym class and you would run under that, what's it called, that parachute? All right, and if you guys didn't do that in gym class, I'm sorry you missed out, but that was like some of the most fun I ever had, was running under that parachute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry, I'm just fixing up the sides a little bit right now. And I will bring you in for a close-up. It's so frustrating because it got most of the sides except for like over here, so then it looks cool on the sides and then just dingy like in like little places, so that sucks because I love it when it kind of goes over the side too. Okay, I will stop ranting. I'm gonna torch this one more time. All right, I think that I am getting all the air bubbles out. So I am going to bring this up to you guys so you guys can just see the magnificence of it. Like, this right here honestly is my favorite part. Even though it didn't turn out the color like I wanted it to, I just think it's so beautiful how it's selling like that. And then this gold metallic purple is just so gorgeous. And this blue, this green is my favorite color. Like this almost minty gold green. I love that. And yellow. And the orange that I made from these two colors right here. And our beautiful, beautiful bronze. All right. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to try this out, please tag me in it so I can feature you. As always, you can follow me on Instagram to see my dried results at CBrinley. And I would love, love, love to see your guys' attempts at this technique. That would mean so much to me. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.